Charlie Pollock with Priority Oil and Gas. We're a independent owner-operator based in Oklahoma. I'm a one-man show and operate about 30 wells. I have a saltwater disposal unit that has an open-top tank that I was concerned about environmental issues with. I was looking for a tank monitoring solution. I came across TankScan. Looked like a solid solution. Purchased it after discussing with the company. Built a bracket, installed it. It was a quick install. It's been monitoring for the last 6 or 8 months. It gives me peace of mind. My tank's not going to overflow. If I do overflow or get a high level, I get an alert on my phone. I can run out and check my equipment. So overall, the TankScan system's doing very well.